Another way to demonstrate the transmission of sound through a solid is to hang a spoon from a string and then take the string and bring that to your ear. And then have another student or yourself just tap the spoon. And it gives a very rich ringing sound in your ear as the sound of the spoon being struck travels through the string and to the ear. To hear a beautiful ringing church bell-like sound, take a metal clothes hanger, attach 2 strings to it, one on either side, and then take the 2 ends of the string and hold them to your ears so that again the string makes contact with the ear channel. And then have a second person strike the clothes hanger, and you'll hear a beautiful ringing church bell-like sound in stereo. You've got to try it.